Hello, and I think I would say for 2025 we have finished up the car show season. Yesterday was Vintage Restorations Open House and Car Show, very short distance from our house, so we were there with 3 cars, and we had the Europa, the TR10, and the Esprit, which normally parks there. The friend of ours who drove it to the show for us, he has it out and he'll bring it back today. He's enjoying tooling around in it, which is fine. He's really good with that car, so, and we don't mind. So last weekend was the Rockville Antique car show at Rockville, Maryland, and that had over 550 cars at the show, if we counted close to what we think came in. And the M100, we took that. Wanted to take the Esprit and the Europa, but things didn't work out for driving the other two. Driver issues, not car issues. So you're going to be seeing footage from both shows. That's what's in this video. Enjoy. Vintage Restorations Open House. It's their car show. We've got 3 of our cars here. This is 2025. Nice little show. We come here every year. It's a great little car show. And you get to see the latest things that John's doing in his shop. And this is in Union Bridge, Maryland. The 2025 Rockville Antique Automotive Show. And my row is Lotus, then there's Jags, we have Corvettes. Next down there are Porsche, VWs, that's down those rows. And plenty of other stuff. We have Austin Healey's behind us, Triumphs, plenty of cars.
Let's get in trouble. Come on, Bobby.
These straps had rotted out because they were just cotton. So they had rotted out.